If you want to start your stock market journey, or you have been doing but your portfolio is not giving you big return, and if you want to restart your stock market journey, this video is for you. So at first, what you need to do, you should make your goal. If you start your journey without your goal, you will not reach on it on your destination. So at first, decide your goal. Where do you want to? Where do you want to reach? And keep in mind that you should not make any goal for 1 year or 2 year or 3 years. It should be for more than 5 years. Because if you make your goal for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, it may be that market may be in consolidation phase for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, and you you will feel depressed. So create your goal for more than 5 years. That will be achievable. Second is, you usually invest very less percentage of your capital in the stock market. So invest at least, just follow one rule, 100 minus age thumb rule. What is your age, just subtract from 100, and whatever you will get, that percentage you should invest in the stock market. And just create two demat account. One is for core portfolio and another is for satellite portfolio. Two demat account and two trading account. And there should not be more than 15 companies in core. There should be 15 companies in core and 10 companies in satellite portfolio. And filter fundamentally strong company. At least you should filter 50 to 100 fundamentally strong company. After filtering, go to TradingView website and see the chart. If your stocks is in uptrend, it is giving you breakout, then you should add first tranche. You should buy your stocks in tranches. 6 tranches, you should buy in 6 tranches. 1 month, one tranche, second month, second tranche, like this. And put your capital in this way. And one more thing, you should not put all share, you should not select all the companies from one sector. In your portfolio, at least 3 to 5 sectors should be there. And also one thing, you should not choose the company which belong to only large cap or only mid cap or only small cap. It should be some companies from large cap, some from mid cap, and some from small cap. And never ever expect your return from this year only. You will get return after 1 year, after 2 year, after 3 year. Immediate, it is not possible. So this is the process. And if you want to know more, please WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is in description box. And if you found this video useful, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.